Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. So in this video I'm going to teach you the common error, the word accustom. So you can say this video is about the grammatical mistake, or this video is about actually common error. It is similar to the grammatical mistake. So I'm giving here the two examples. The first example is I am beginning to accustom to the British way of life. So you can see here I use the word accustom, and before accustom always the preposition used to accustom. Okay, so I am beginning. So the answer is I am beginning to get accustomed to the. So this is the accustomed. This is a common error or a grammatical mistake. Always use before accustomed. Always use get. So this is the rules before accustomed. Always use be or become or get or grow accustomed to. Always is grow accustomed, get accustomed. This is the correct. Get accustomed, this is the correct. Always use. So this is the logic. So within as an example, within a few minutes my eyes had grown accustomed to the dark. My eyes had grown. You can see here you can use be accustomed, become accustomed, get accustomed, or grow. So I have my eyes had grown accustomed to the dark. So you can use the grown accustomed. This is the correct, because I'm here using the get grow become. So in another style, I'm beginning to get used to the British way of the life. So sometimes in part of informal style, most people prefer be or becomes or get or grow used to. So I am being to get. So in formal style, some people use informal style. Most people prefer be, become, get, or grow used to. This word used to. This one. As an example, I'm beginning to get used to the British way of the life. To the British, I'm beginning to get used. I am beginning to get used to the British way of the life. So here we use that to get used to. This one is correct. And now I'm going to the second example, where I come from, we are not accustomed to see so many things in the shops. So you can see here I'm using I used the word accustomed here. So this is the incorrect. This is the incorrect, or this is the grammatical error. So the main logic is where I come from, we are not accustomed to. So we are not accustomed. We are not accustomed to seeing so many things in the shop. So you can see here that we are not. So we are not. So you can see here are is the be verb, okay, and accustomed is a verb after to, and after to always doing. Use doing. Be plus accustomed, this is a verb. Be plus accustomed plus to plus doing. And you are seeing that here is a be verb, this is a verb, the to plus do. Don't use be verb accustomed to do. This is incorrect. Always use be accustomed to doing. This rule is correct rule. This rule is a correct rule, and this rule is a this is a common error. So he was accustomed. As an example, he was accustomed to leading a life of luxury. So he was is be verb, accustomed to leading ing, leading a life of luxury. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. See you again in the next video with a new common error. Bye bye.